Hey guys, so I had somebody ask about how to tell a 5.9 from a 6.7 if it's, it's let's say a 5.9 and a 6.7 block, or no, I shouldn't say that, a 6.7 with a 5.9 operating system, or vice versa, that type of thing, or if it's using a 6.7 block. So the easiest way that I know to tell, I'm sure there's more differences, I don't have them side by side. The easiest way that I tell, if you have a block that's all assembled, if you look at this block right here, there's no bolt holes. Right here, that'll be right there basically. If you look at now, this is a 6.7 block, and all the 6.7 blocks have this. So now, just to give you guys a reference of where it is, this is where your dipstick, your oil engine dipstick goes in, is here. So now, if you look at a 6.7 block, so here's a 6.7 block. See, there's these two holes, these two drilled and tapped holes right here. And what they are is they're for the bracket that goes from the block to the engine bell housing, or engine flywheel housing, some people call it. And they have it on it has it on this side too. So that is the easiest way that I know of to tell the difference between the 5.9 and the 6.7 block. Like I said, there is a couple little differences. I want to say, let's just take a look here. Just look at this. I don't know if that coolant port is across there on this side. Just let's look. I honestly never paid that much attention because we usually have them tore apart. Nope, they do have that. So, okay, well, anyways, I'm going to take you outside quick just to show you what that bracket looks like that I'm talking about. And likely most guys are going to leave that bracket on there. Oh, snowing out. Beautiful. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, actually, it might not even have the bracket on there. I got a 6.7 that I got for a core. It doesn't have them on there. Yeah, so it would normally go right there, but the brackets, they would be taking the brackets off this one. Sometimes they're on there, sometimes they're not, but anyways, that's so that's the easiest way to tell a 6.7 block from a 5.9 block. The 12 valve block, there again, it's pretty easy because there is some differences. The bottom of the so if you look at the oil cooler, if you're looking at there's a few differences, but if you're looking at a 24 valve, a 5.9 24 valve, and it's like a VP44 style, block is not identical to this, but see how the bottom of this, the bottom of it, this is not, it's got that angle across the bottom. All the common rails are like this. So it's a lot squarer, I guess you would say. And then the holes are in different spots, obviously. But anyways, that's all there is for that one. Just, it's a visual. You can like literally crawl underneath there. You can even see it. You don't even have to crawl underneath. You can just look down in there and you can tell whether it's a 6.7 block or a 5.9 block, just like that fast. So that's how I tell if the engine's together. Like if it was like, let's say it's laying in the back of somebody's truck. I can look at it in the back of somebody's truck and be like, oh yeah, it's a 5.9. Oh, it's a 6.7. Whether it's a 12, whether it's a, a 5.9, 305 or 325 horse, or exactly what year it is. If there's more pieces on them, you can tell, but if it's just like a long block, a little bit harder to tell. But anyways, just a short one for you guys. I had a guy ask about it, and it was just easier to show a video than it was to try to explain or type it all out. So anyways, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one.